Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 23. I'm going to quickly go over what we are working on this week and what you can expect. So, first thing, it's a 2-week project. I know some of you will be excited about that. I feel like this week needs to be, or this assignment needs to be a 2-week project just due to the fact of the smaller details that need to be created. So what I have you designing this week is a Hot Wheels car. Now, you can either create a Hot Wheels car that is already out there, or you can create a brand new one that maybe you haven't seen before. I think we all have seen Hot Wheels cars. We've all held them in our hand at one point. We know what they are. So this first link that you'll see is a link to a website that goes into like a deep dive of what the Hot Wheels car design process looks like. So you can check that out, read it. I think it'll help you understand how they go through things, and it talks a little bit about just the designing of the Hot Wheels cars. The next thing you'll see is just a PowerPoint I put together of some information dealing with like the scale of Hot Wheels cars and then example Hot Wheels cars for you to check out. So that's that. One thing that may be easiest for you is honestly just pick a regular car and just scale it down. You're going to be able to find sizes of R size cars easily. And then you can just scale them to what a Hot Wheels car is. That way you're not trying to look up sizes for Hot Wheels cars, because I can promise you're not going to find them. So that's the second link. Then you've got like the turn-in spot and then the Hot Wheels design information, so everything you need to include. So read over that, check that out. Biggest thing I want you to pay attention to is when it comes to suggested layers. I have these as suggested layers because you can draw the exterior. So you can see here in the picture that this is all one piece. Windows, I have as the windows layer. So you've got your dash, you've got your door, you've got your windshield, your front and back windshield, your windows, and some other looks like lights for the front of the car, lights for the back of the car, and that's all one piece. So you can see that it's broken down into 4 layers. Now, if you're really good with Onshape and you can draw all of these things as one piece and then have them snap together in the assembly file, that works. If that's not you and you need to individually create the pieces, that's fine. You can do that as well. Just when you turn it in, you've got to create a drawing file for each part, an assembly file, and then I want you to do the drawing file with the exploded view and parts list. Put it in a portfolio style, so Google Slide, Google Doc, whatever it is, and turn that in for the submission. But that's what I have you guys working on this week. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.